Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to free up disk space on Windows 10 and 11 in 2025. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to free up disk space on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and then right click and then click on File and File Explorer. After that, this PC and then local disk C, just click on it. After that, click on Windows and then just scroll down and then click on Software Distribution. After that, click on Downloads. Okay, now we need to delete all the junks here. Just right click and then click delete. Okay, now just close the window. Okay, now go again to the start icon and then right click. Now click on run. Okay, let me move this to the middle and then type WS reset. After that, click OK. Now we will remove the cache. Just wait for a few minutes until it's done. Okay, and then go to the start icon and then right click. After that, click on run and now type clean mgr. After that, click OK. Okay, just tick all the boxes here. Yeah, and I get now for 5.35 gigabyte. After that, click OK. Yes, delete files. Just wait for a few minutes. Okay, after that, go to the start icon and then right click, go to run, and then let me just move this to the middle, and then type app wiz.cpl. After that, click OK. Now here, just uninstall the apps you don't use. What you can do, okay, for example, this first app, just click on it. If you don't use it, then click uninstall. Other thing, for example, Google Drive, or for example here, Bonjour, just click on it and then click uninstall. Just do it one by one. Okay, after that, close the window. Other thing, what you can do, when you go to the start icon, right click, then File Explorer. If you go here, for example, to downloads, just delete all what you don't need. For example, here, all you don't need, just delete it. After that, go to music. If you have here music, you don't need it, just delete. After that, go to pictures. Here, if you don't need it, just delete it. And then next, go to videos. If you have here many videos and you don't need it, just delete them. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to free up disk space on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.